Ladies and gentlemen, today we mark a defining moment for Nakasi, the Soreton Council, and indeed our nation. The long-awaited opening of the Nakasi market is more than the unveiling of a new building. It is a symbol of opportunity, dignity, and empowerment for the 100 vendors who will call this space their own. Few months ago, I was asked this question by some very important people. When will the new Nakasi market open? We thank God for this day. We thank God for this weather. And we thank God for the life of the traditional chief of Nakasi, who owns the place where we are on right now, to be here with us and grace this very important, very auspicious occasion. And I must thank all of you. Thank all of those who have contributed to this new Nakasi market. Also thank the previous administrators, the previous administration, for being visionary to have a very important place like this. This is a place where people come and meet. This is a place where people earn their livelihood. This is where the farmers who come all the way from Nakasi, farmers who come all the way from Telewu, all the way from Rewa, and the people around the surrounding areas. This is a place where they come, sell their produce, take something home, as well as source of livelihood, source of income for people whose lives depend on this type of facility. Nakasi market stands as a statement to the coalition government's commitment to a national development plan, which is centered on empowering the people of Fiji through unity. This is a vision that seeks to ensure that every Fijian, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to succeed and thrive. Our investment is around $1.98 million. $1.98 million. And in this facility, it's not just a financial investment. It is an investment in human potential, an investment in the future of Nakasi, Nausori, and Fiji. This new market addresses a long-standing challenge for vendors. It's good to know that we have vendors here. My property is just a few meters away from here. When I come around on a Friday or Saturday, when I see the vendors, the farmers selling around that road in front of the New World, as well as at that stretch, it touches my heart because I know you're longing for the opening of this new facility. I want to encourage all of you. It's not just an investment by the government. This is investment that's not going to benefit you, it's also going to benefit the future generation. So I encourage all of you to please look after this facility. Make this market like your own market, your own home. When you come in the morning, before you leave in the afternoon, take care of this facility. This is a modern day market. It's not like an old market where you can just come, put your rubbish anywhere, and wait for the fishes to come and clean the market, to clear the market for you. I request all of you to look after this market. This is our market. We call Nakasi market our market. Menonda. Marketing gome, nonda. We call this market our own market. Because if you call this market our own market, then we'll have to look after this market. Got a nice building here, got a washing facility, you've got the toilet facilities, everything is provided for here. And I plead with all of you, the vendors, as well as people of Nakasi, the people of Ndabui level housing, let's call this place, let's call this market our own market. It's a very important thing that I want also to share with you this morning. To support whatever I've just said, whatever I've just shared with you, and to support these type of opportunities, your coalition government is committed to ensuring that the necessary laws and regulations, market regulations, are in place. With these new market regulations, we are enhancing transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the management of all municipal markets. These regulations and these bylaws will include strict compliance, provisions and penalties for breaches, for the driving accountability in market operations. I've been around most of the markets around Fiji. I've seen vendors owning more than two spaces, 2 stalls. I've seen vendors owning more than 10 stalls. We need to have a regulation. We need to have a bylaws to govern how we do business in these markets. So I hope that when we bring in these new bylaws, when we bring in these regulations, we expect all of you to comply with, to adhere to all these new bylaws or new regulations. We also have another new market that's coming up, the Leboka market. Also provides women accommodation for the women traveling from the Hon.Maciu groups, Motoriki, to name a few. Early this year, I opened the Namole Green night food market in Lotoka City. If I've been to Lotoka, there's just a new facility. It's just been constructed, just built just alongside the new bus stand, closer to the market. This is a new initiative that the previous government has started. We will also going to continue with this type of initiative so that we can encourage more of our women, more people who are unemployed, people who want to come and sell the produce, people who want to come and sell the art and handicraft items, come and sell in some of these markets. As we officially open this new facility, I urge all of you to take full advantage of the opportunities it provides. Remember, when you succeed as individuals, you contribute to the growth and prosperity of our beloved Fiji. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my great pleasure to declare the Nakasi market officially open.